Before we get started with the haul video, I just wanted to give a shout out to this beautiful playmat that was kindly gifted to me by Babymat. They are an Australian based company, and honestly you guys, this playmat is so incredible. It is double-sided, so you get the versatility of it. It's such a good quality playmat. It's super thick, it's made out of foam. It's so stylish, and they have the cutest patterns. The one I've got here is the rainbow and terrazzo pattern, so it's rainbow on one side and then the beautiful print that you see on the other side. It's so versatile and honestly the best quality ever. It's super thick, so it's comfortable for the baby to lay on, take a nap on, do whatever she needs to, and it's really easy to also clean down. I believe it is antibacterial, but I'm also wiping it down because Zyla does like to spit up a lot. So I'm forever wiping down the mat as well after she's done with each play. But yeah, I am so obsessed with this mat. I usually lay down with her and we, do some activities, tummy time, whatever it may be. I have a $25 coupon code that I'm going to leave for you guys on the screen now. It's just Yagmur25 at checkout, and you guys will be able to save $25 off your next purchase with Babymat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a baby girl clothing haul. Sorry, I just completely mind blanked. I have a 3-month-old daughter, so I constantly buy clothes for her, and I found an online boutique called Urbanbubs. They have the best sales. They usually have 30 to 40% off store wide, or buy 2 get 1 free. It's always like really good deals like that. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I've purchased for her lately. Everything is super cute, so be prepared for me to say, oh my god, it's so cute. So the first item I purchased is this adorable little onesie. I'm going to call them onesie because I don't know what they're called. Rompers, jumpsuits, I'm not sure. So it's this little sunflower one, and the back is so cute. It's just like a little tie-up with frills on the bottom. And this is so cute. It comes with a bow as well. The only thing I'm really disappointed about this website, and I think it's like this with most baby boutiques, is on the website you can see it comes with a bow, but it literally just comes with this, and I can't put this around my baby's head and tie a bow. She's too wriggly for that. So I've got so many of these pieces that just like is probably not going to be used, but that's the only thing I will say with this website. Nothing comes with a bow. It just comes with a long piece of string that you have to, tie into a bow. The second one, I realized I never bought her any hoodies or jumpers or anything because she was being born in in spring and summer, and then all of a sudden we got like really cold weather, so I ordered her some little warm pieces. So I just got this really cute baby pink cardigan, and it's got little ears as well. I got this in I think 6 months, just so she can wear it when we do go into winter as well. This piece, you guys, is so cute. This is a little neutral romper or onesie, and it's got like little pom-poms everywhere. It's white, it's knit, and this is like the perfect transition piece from I don't know what season, because I'm gonna put her in this when it's a really cold day or cool day anyway, and it is so nice. I freaking love this. I wish I had this in size for me. Like, do you reckon I could get away with this? I don't know, I'm obsessed with this. I can't wait to pop her in this, and I got it in a little bit of a bigger size so she can wear it soon. I also got her this little turban. It has the 3 little bows. This was so cheap. I believe this was $11. If you purchase these things on like those Australian online boutiques, they become so expensive. They're literally like $40 for one little turban, and I try to find them at affordable stores so I don't have to pay that much money for something that I'm just gonna pop on her head for a photo. I don't actually put this on her to go anywhere. The next set I bought is actually one of my favorites. So it comes with this cute little frilly white top. So it's just got frills on the sleeve. It's baggy. These are the sleeves, And then this is the nappy cover. It is this beautiful like dark green shade, and it's just got a little string here, and then again it comes with the long piece for a bow, which nobody has time for that. And the good thing with this website is everything comes in a set, so it's not like you're buying the top and then the pants and then the bow separately. It all comes in the one set. The next set is this adorable one right here. It comes with a little pink onesie, and it's just got frills up here. I think I've already popped her in the top and the pants as well, so she's already worn this one. And then these are the little pants. Let me just fix this. These are the little pants, and look at the bow on the back. Is that not the cutest? Now the material on this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, I don't know, it's not soft, it's more of like a harder material, so I probably wouldn't, this is not something that you would leave on for her to, like for your baby to take a nap in or whatever, just because it might make them a bit too hot. But it is such a cute set. I love it. And this came with, I think, a little bow as well. I just can't find it. The next piece I got for her is this one here, and it is such a beautiful little romper. It's this gorgeous blue shade, and then this is what the bottom looks like. I had a really cute one in pink as well, but I already popped it on her and I couldn't find it to show you guys. But it was like, this is the bow tie for it, so it's like this color and then this pattern. I got her this little tracky set, I guess you can call it. It's this little jumper right here. It's just got the two little buttons, and then the pants look like this. So they're high-waisted, and then they've just got like the tie-up string here. So freaking cute, and it's the cutest color as well. I love this mauve shade. And then the next two piece I purchased is this little onesie. So this one's like that purpley mauve color as well, and then it's got the buttons going down the side, and then little pants to go with that. And I love how the pants are so wide around here. It's for the nappy, but it's so cute. So yeah, got that little onesie set. And then I also purchased this little onesie as well, which is a cute little neutral number. And this one comes again with this thing that I will never ever use. And then the last piece that I purchased for her is so cute. It's this little floral one right here, and it comes with the little trackies as well. So freaking cute. And then again, the bow. Alright you guys, I just wanted to keep it short and sweet. That is my Urban Bubs haul. I do have some items that I've actually already popped her in. They're a bit too small for her now, but I've washed them and I've dried them and they've stayed perfectly fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.